Good morning, Paul. I am Pawan Kumar. Grade 7, subject mathematics, chapter 4, simple equations. Simple equations. Equations means equality. The equality has LHS is equal to RHS. Equations means LHS is equal to RHS. LHS means left hand side and then RHS means right hand side. Listen here. What is simple equation?
In this module, at first, we will introduce simple equation and then recall the concept related to equation studied in previous class. Thereafter, we will learn about equation, its solution and properties. We will also learn how to write an equation from its given solution. Thereafter, we will apply simple equations to practical situations. At the end, we will summarize all the concepts studied in this module. Dear students, let us observe the given grade chart of the bowling game. We see that charges of the bowling game is ₹250 per hour. Therefore, the total payable amount depends on the number of hours the game is played. Thus, the total charge is equal to ₹250 into number of hours, where variable h stands for the number of hours. This is called a simple equation. This equation will help us to determine the total charges for the game. Let us recall what we learned about the equation in the previous class. An equation is a condition on a variable. Some examples of equations are shown here. A variable is a letter or symbol used to represent one or more numbers. For example, x is equal to 4. Here, x is a variable and the number 4 is called the value of the variable. Observe the algebraic expression and its components shown here. Algebraic expressions can be used to represent statements taken from our everyday life. Let us take a statement. 1 kilogram of mango costs 20 rupees less than the cost of 1 kilogram of apple. Let the price of 1 kilogram of apple be rupees x. Then the price of 1 kilogram of mango is x minus 20 rupees. Let us learn about an equation. An equation is a mathematical statement which states that the two expressions are equal. Observe the examples of equation shown here. An equation is formed by placing an equal sign between two numerical or variable expressions called the sides of the equation. The equality sign shows that the value of the expression to the left-hand side, LHS, is equal to the value of the expression to the right-hand side, RHS. Interchanging the expressions, an equation remains the same if the
subject mathematics, class 7, simple equation, chapter 4, exercise 4.1. Question number 2. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. To the given equation or not. A, n plus 5 is equal to 9. The n value is equal to 1. N plus 5 is equal to 19. N plus 5 is equal to 19. N value is equal to 1. Listen here. Check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. To the given equation or not. First one, question number A, n plus 5 is equal to 19. N plus 5 is equal to 19. The given value n is equal to 1. First one, solution. Given the value equation is equal to n plus 5 is equal to 19. Our equation is equal to n plus 5 is equal to 19. N plus 5 is equal to 19. Is it equation number 1? We take equation number 1. Or n value is equal to 1. N value is equal to 1. So n is equal to 1. N value is equal to 1. Substituting in equation number 1. In equation number 1. Our equation is equal to n plus 5 is equal to 19. We take equation number 1. N is equal to 1. The given value is equal to n is equal to 1. So we substituting in equation 1. N is equal to 1. Here n, the value is equal to 1 plus 5. N is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 19. 1 plus 5 is equal to 19. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 is equal to 19. 6 is equal to 19. The equal symbol means both sides are equal. That means LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Listen here. Here LHS value is equal to 6. Then RHS value is equal to 19. So both are not equal. Both are not equal. Our question part is solution to the given equation or not. Equation or not. It is not a equation because LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So our solution is it is not an equation. Therefore, it is not an equation because LHS is equal to 6, RHS is equal to 19. 6 is not equal to 19, so it is not an equation. The next one. Question part B. Given equation is 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. N is equal to minus 2. N is equal to minus 2. Solution. First we take the equation number 1. Given equation is 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Here n is equal to minus 2. Here n is equal to minus 2. N is equal to minus 2. We take equation number 1. Given equation is we take number 1. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. LHS is equal to 7n plus 5 is equal to RHS is equal to 19. Here n value is equal to minus 2. N value is equal to minus 2. So n is equal to minus 2. Substituting in equation number 1. Substituting in equation number 1. Our first equation is 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Listen here. n plus 5 is equal to 19. Equation is 7n. 7 or n value is equal to minus 2. N is equal to minus 2 then plus second time is 5 is equal to RHS is equal to 19. So LHS is equal to 7 into minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 19. 7 into minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 19. First we solve the LHS side. 7 into minus 2. 7 means plus 7 and then minus 2 plus into minus is equal to minus. First we solve the sign. Plus into minus is equal to minus. 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5 is equal to, or RHS is equal to 19. Minus 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Solve the left hand side. Minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is equal to minus 9. Minus 9 is equal to 19. Minus 9 is equal to 19. Here LHS is equal to minus 9. RHS is equal to 19. It is not possible. So minus 9 not equal to 19. Minus 9 is not equal to 19. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. Minus 9 not equal to 19. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, it is not an equation. It is not a solution. It is not a solution. Next one. Question part C. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Given equation is 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Our LHS value is equal to 7n plus 5 and then RHS value is equal to 19. Given n is equal to plus 2. N is equal to plus 2. So our solution part is first one, our equation is 7n plus 5 is equal to 9. 7n plus 5 is equal to 9. We take equation number 1. Equation number 1. Our n value is equal to 2. So n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. Substituting in equation number 1. Substituting in equation number 1. Listen here. Our equation is 7. N is equal to 2. So 7 into 2 plus the second term is 5. Listen here. First term is 7 into n. 7 into n is equal to 2. 7 into 2 plus then second term is 5 is equal to 19 is equal to 19. 7 into 2 plus 5. Left hand side is equal to 7 into given value 2 plus second term is 5 is equal to 19. We solve the left hand side. 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14 plus second term 5. 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Listen here. 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Is equal to 19. Listen here. LHS is equal to RHS because LHS is equal to 19 and then RHS value is also 19. LHS left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is a solution. Therefore, it is a solution. The next one. Question number 3. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Our first part is 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. LHS is equal to 5p plus 2 is equal to the mixed equations. So equal to 17. That is a right hand side. LHS, RHS. So our solution part is first we take the given equations. 5p plus 2. It is a LHS is equal to 17. We take equation number 1. Take equation number 1. Listen here. LHS is equal to 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. 5p. Our first term is 5p. So we take p is equal to 1. P is equal to 1. P is a variable. So p is equal to 1. Substituting in equation number 1. Substituting in equation number 1. 5p 5 into p equation number 1 is 5 into p. Our p value is equal to 1 plus second term is 2 is equal to 17. 5 p is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 is equal to 17. 7 not equal to 17. The number 7 is not equal to 17. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Next we take the value P is equal to 2. Next we take the value P is equal to 2. P is equal to 1. Substituting in equation number 1. 5 into P value is equal to 1. 5 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 is not equal to 17. The number 7 is not equal to 17. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So we go to next. P is equal to 2. We take the value P is equal to 2. Equation is 5P plus 2 is equal to 17. 5P plus 2 is equal to 17. This is equation number 1. Next we take the value P is equal to 2. Let me take the value P is equal to 2 and then substituting in equation number 1. Again we take P is equal to 2, substituting in equation number 1. 5 P value is equal to 2, then plus second time is 2 is equal to 17. RHS is equal to 17. 5 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 17. Listen here. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is equal to 17. 10 plus 2 is equal to 17. Here is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12 is not equal to 17. The number 12 is not equal to 17. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So, we take P is equal to 3. Our next part is we take P is equal to 3. Question part is 5P plus 2 is equal to 17. It is an equation number 1. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. P is equal to 1 means LHS is not equal to RHS, and then P is equal to 2 is also LHS is not equal to RHS. So we go to P is equal to 3. Our next value is equal to P is equal to 3. This is substituting in equation number 1. P is equal to 3. Substituting in equation number 1. 5 P is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 17. Listen here. Left hand side 5 into our P value is equal to 3. 5 into 3 plus second term is 2 is equal to 17. Next we solve the LHS. 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. That means 15 plus 2 is equal to 17 is equal to 17. 17 is equal to 17. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Is equal to RHS. It is called the trial and error method. Trial and error method. Here 17 is equal to 17. That means LHS is equal to RHS. So our exact value is equal to P is equal to 3. Since P is equal to 3. Next one, question number 4. Write the equations for the following statements. Question number 4. Write the equations for the following statements. Here our first statement is the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. The sum of number x and 4 is 9. Sum means plus of numbers x and 4. Numbers x and 4. Sum means plus. Sum means plus or values x and 4. X and 4 is means is equal to. Is means is equal to. Sum of numbers x and 4 is means is equal to 9. Listen here. X sum means plus. X plus 4 is equal to 9. X plus 4 is equal to 9. The answer is x plus 4 is equal to 9. Sum of x and 4 is equal to 9. And second one, the difference between y and 2 is 8. The difference between y and 2 is 8. Difference means minus. Difference means minus. Y and 2 is means is equal to 8. That means y difference y minus 2 is equal to 8. Then second one, difference between y and 2. That means y minus 2 is 8 is equal to 8. The next one, third one. Our third part is 10 times a is 70. 10 times a is 70. 10 times means multiple. 10 into a is equal to 70. Our solution is 10 times. So 10 times means a is equal to 70. 10a is equal to 70. The fourth one, our fourth statement is the number p divided by 5. P divided by 5 gives, that means is equal to, gives, that means is equal to 6. P divided by 5 is equal to 6. P divided by 5 is equal to 6. That means P divided by 5 gives 6. P divided by 5 gives 6. And fifth one. Fifth statement is 3/4 of T is 50. 3/4. 3/4 means 3 by 4. 3/4 means 3 by 4 of T. Of means into of T. Of means into. So 3 by 4 of means into T. Of T is equal to 15. 3 by 4 of t is equal to 15. 3 by 4 of t is equal to 15. The next one. Question number 5. Write the following equations in statements forms. Given equation is first one p plus 4 is equal to 15, and then second equation is m minus 7 is equal to 3, and then third one 2m is equal to 7. This is all based on addition, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. P plus 4, that means sum of p plus 4, we say sum of p plus 4 is 15. Sum of p plus 4 is 15. The sum of p and 4 is 15. P plus 4 means sum of p and 4 is 15. It is a statement. Then second equation is m minus 7 is equal to 3. Minus means difference. You want to write difference between m and 7 is equal to 3. 7 subtracted from m is 3. This is another way. 7 subtracted from m. Listen here. 7, the number 7 subtracted from m is equal to. That means is value is 3. Is equal to. Value is equal to 3. So our statement is sum of 7 subtracted from m. 7 subtracted from m is 3. The second statement is 7 subtracted from m is 3. Then third equation, 2m is equal to 7. 2m. 2m means 2 into m. 2 times of m. 2m means 2 multiple m. So twice of a number m is 7 or 2 of m is 7. Listen here, our statement is twice of a number m is 7 or 2 times m is 7. 2 into m is equal to